7. He worked at a truck stop and the soda machine would give you free sodas if you tipped it. It fell over on him and crushed him. A nice popular 16-year-old kid. I think all soda machines have to be bolted down here now. 8. He starved to death. In class, he came in, laid his head down on his desk, and just passed. The teacher thought he was asleep and didn't try to rouse him during class. His girlfriend was the one who figured it out after the bell rang and couldn't wake him. We all knew he was thin and underfed and had a hard life at home, but the empty desk for the rest of the year was difficult to look at. 9. He was sparring/slapboxing with a friend of his. The friend put him in a chokehold, he tapped out, but the friend didn't let go and he passed. 10. A kid in our high school was in a boating accident with another boat at night. Both the kid from my school and the 40-something-year-old guy he hit passed to. It was all over the news. The 17-year-old from my school was getting painted as some reckless kid. 11. She was thrown off a horse. 12. OD unfortunately.